I'm Ryan Lavigne with Utah Working Capital, and I'd like to talk about how to understand a company's balance sheet. A company's balance sheet will always be made of three specific components. First is the company's assets. The assets of a company explain exactly what the company owns, whether it's cash that they have sitting in bank accounts right now, inventory that they're getting ready to sell, accounts receivable, goods that they've already sold and they're waiting to receive a collection of payment, or even longer term assets such as property, plant, and equipment, or other assets that the company may own during that specific time. The asset section is important because it helps an analyst or somebody reviewing a balance sheet help them understand exactly what a company owns and what they're trying to do with their business. The second part of the balance sheet shows the liabilities that the company has. Liabilities are simply debts or loans or upcoming payments that the company has to make. They can be divided into two separate sections. The first is short-term liabilities. Short-term liabilities includes accounts payable as well as short-term loans that it may have received from a bank or other expenses that need to be paid for in the near future. Long-term liabilities are typically long-term debt, for example, on a building or other long-term loans that a company may have received from investors. The third section is the owner's equity, and this is considered to be the true wealth of the company. This is where all of the initial capital from the owners or shareholders is held, as well as any additional paid-in capital from an increase in share price that may exceed the par value of the share. It also includes any retained earnings that the company may have made over preceding years that is being reinvested in the company. So overall, the balance sheet gives a great insight into what the value of a company is, what it owns, what it owes, and what the value is to the shareholders. For further additional questions, contact us at utworkingcaptial@gmail.com.